This is Cucumber, and he has golden eye.
Yeah, he's a very good bird. He's a breeding male. Again, this is also from Don Freiburg. So I'm keeping him as a breeder. I cannot fly. This young bird flied for him in the races. Very strong bird. It's a medium size, very healthy. Looks like he's a fast bird, just like a babil we have, right? So
Yeah.
let's see. Because of his body muscles, he's very strong. You want to see the?
Except this time he's probably not a short distance.
Can you get a closer? Yeah. Shiny golden eyes, huh?
Yes. Has like red specks around it.
Yeah. Even on the neck here, I like the greenish, or I don't know.
Sparkle feathers.
It's a sparkle. It's green,
Purple, pink.
It's a, what do you call that? Spectrum. The spectrum here.
Some of the baby birds are getting the spectrum.